To clean and shine a porcelain sink, first remove everything from your sink and wipe it down with soapy water. Then, rinse out the soapy residue and close the drain with a stopper. If your porcelain sink is white, pour some bleach into it. Then, use a clean sponge to scrub the bottom, sides, and rim of the porcelain. Let the bleach sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Then, drain your sink and rinse it out thoroughly. Take care when using bleach, and make sure to work in a well-ventilated area. For colored porcelain, pour some hydrogen peroxide into your sink and scrub it into the porcelain with a sponge. For stubborn stains, try scrubbing them with a soft brush and some white vinegar. You can also soak a towel in lemon juice and leave it on top of the stain for 5 to 10 minutes to get rid of it. If you really want your porcelain sink to shine, get a porcelain polish and work it into the sink with a dry, clean cloth.